Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm excited to share something that completely changes the way you create sales videos, whether you're a marketer, a business owner, or someone offering digital services. It's called VSL Studio, and honestly, I was blown away the first time I tried it. So here's the deal. VSL Studio isn't just another video tool that throws together slides, stock footage, and a random voiceover. It's an AI-powered system that actually understands the content you give it. You can upload a PDF, a document, or even paste a link to any web page, and in less than 10 minutes, it generates a fully produced, high-converting video. I'm talking script, voiceover, graphics, animations, music, the entire thing done for you. What makes it different is that it doesn't just try to make your video look good. It focuses on conversion, using proven marketing frameworks like PAS, AIDA, Star Story Solution, and SLAP. The AI reads your content, analyzes the emotional points, detects what kind of offer you have, and chooses the best structure automatically. So instead of spending hours figuring out how to sell your idea, the system does it for you. Creating a video is super simple. You choose a style, upload your content, select your voice and length, hit create, and that's it. The AI handles everything behind the scenes, including the persuasive flow and the call to action. And the best part is the flexibility. You can sell videos as a service, create VSLs for your own offers, turn blogs or sales pages into short social videos, build funnels, and even generate multilingual versions instantly. For agencies, content creators, and affiliates, it opens up an entirely new set of opportunities. If you're looking for a smarter, faster way to create videos that actually sell, VSL Studio is definitely worth trying. Now let me show you step-by-step demo how VSL Studio works.
The different categories or styles of videos that you could create with VSL Studio. They're all right there. You have 12 different categories of videos, including dynamic stock footage, 2D, 3D hybrid animation, whiteboard, paper craft, stop motion, infographics, and a whole lot more. Now, this section is where you create your videos, right here. With VSL Studio, you could create videos using several different methods. All right, and the first one is very, very easy and very effective. You simply paste the URL of the website or landing page that you want to have the video made about. In other words, the content within that URL, within that web page, will be reflected in your video. Now, the second method is adding your prompt, which can be as detailed or as simple as you want. So in other words, you just type what you want it to do. For upload, you simply upload your PDF or Google Doc that has some information about your business or about the actual video that you want to make. For scenes, you can actually add a description to each scene that will be 8 seconds long. You could add additional scenes to fit the video length that you want. And this way you can customize your video a little more manually. Okay, so now select the style of video by clicking on the style. If you click on the dynamic stock footage, for instance, it will show right here. If I click right now on the 2D, 3D hybrid animation, it will switch. Then select the voice that you want, the duration, and if you want the resolution to be horizontal or vertical. Okay, now in other words, you could do an up and down video or a left-right video. Now the advanced setting allows you to turn on captions, select where you want them to be placed and the caption style, along with selecting which language if you have that. The voiceover will be in whatever language you choose, should you have that capability in your particular purchase. Using the URL as an example, I've opened a Roto-Rooter plumbing company website. To create a video for this company, I just grab their website URL, just paste it in the URL field, then I pick a category that I want. I'm searching for a male voice for the voiceover, and to hear the voice before selecting, you could click the play button. All right, I'm selecting Thomas, and 36 seconds duration, and horizontal, and then generate. And you can see how simple and easy this is to do. That's all I did. Once you click generate, you'll see a pop-up message in the upper right that states that your video is in the queue. And then in the output area, it shows the percentage of the rendering process that has taken place. Now, once the rendering is done, simply click on the video to view it. Click on the three dots and you could download it from here. Now, for prompt, you can enter a simple, very basic prompt describing the type of video that you want to create, or you could be as detailed as possible. I will add, create a video about how to start a new online business right now. And that's it. I just wrote, create a video about how to start a new online business. And I'll select line art animation and Rachel for the voice with 36 seconds duration and horizontal resolution. And then I'll generate. Now, while that is generating, you could create another video. Say you reached out to a local business and they gave you a detailed PDF about the company. You could upload the PDF in this section and select the style that you want and complete your other selections and then generate this one. Next is scenes. Now, the concept here is to build your video sales letter scene by scene with full control over messaging, visuals, and pacing. Now, I'll walk you through creating two scenes. The information for the first scene is thinking of starting an online business, and the second scene is you can start an affiliate marketing business and grow it to 6 figures in the space of 12 months. Now I click save and you can see that 2 scenes are added. Then I select the category. In this case, the scenes take care of the timing and therefore I can't choose a video length, but the rest of the process selection is the same. As you can see, this is a very simple and easy platform to use and navigate. The rendering is fast, the videos are eye-catching, and built-in persuasion is there. Thanks for watching this demo of VSL Studio.